Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Susie Touches the Gele Guru. So guys, I'm doing a vlog on how I made 9 ashoke, 9 anfan and 9 bile within just 3 days, and I have to deliver the autogele to Abuja. So this woman that consulted me, she came to Nigeria from Zambia for something. So she was like, Susan, I need ashoke autogele, a very good one, because her daughter reached out to me early this year, to help her make autogele for her mom-in-law and a friend of her mom. So I made it very well. So her mom was like, wow, I love this. When I'm coming to Nigeria, I'm going to get more of this ashoke autogele. So guys, I went to Oje. God, they made good fabrics in Oje. I went to Oje to get this fabric, but look at it. Though it's expensive though, but look at it, so nice, and it's a very good quality. I bought one bundle for 10,000 naira, though because it is all sales, and I bought 9 bundles. But normally they said it's 15,000 and 13,000 depending on how you can price. But this one, because I got it in a large quantity, they sold it for me for 10,000 naira per bundle. Guys, this is me sewing the autogele. Guys, it is not easy. It is really not easy. I had to call one of my students to help me. She's a friend, to help me out. She's sewing and making it, because I just have to deliver the ashoke on Sunday. She gave me she sent in her money on Thursday, and I went to the market on Friday, and I had to deliver the autogele on Sunday because it's going to Abuja. Guys, look at it. It is, I just did a mini video, but a lot of things behind this video, guys. But look at it, it's so nice. And thanks to Ayobami for helping me out. She actually, when I delivered the ashoke, the woman, she loves me, like, wow, Susan, thank you, this is a good review. Look at it, like, it's very good. And the type of fabric, this is me trying to test the ashoke. I was trying to show the woman, like, this is how it's going to look like because of the style she wanted. And look at my red fabric, like, it's so nice. And this particular type of ashoke that I use is called two-tone crantette. It's a very good material that you can use it as much time as possible. And this was me trying to test it, like, okay, is this sitting well on my head? So this is the brand color. I made brown, I made red, I made pink, I made beige color, I made purple color, I made lilac color. And look at my ipili when I finish ironing. Look at it, it's all looking slick. Yo. Guys, do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you think about this. Bring in your autogele. This I do autogele. This was the food I cooked for me. Thank you so much. You saved my life. Like, I was so tired. Look at my studio, so rough, because I just had to finish up everything. Thank you, everybody. And this is the gele when I finished making, because she wanted fan for one. This one she wanted like 2 crosses. And look at me. Look at all the ashoke, all the autogele. Rather, look at all the autogele that I made. It so nice. But guys, do not forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your view about this autogele. I ironed my autogele. Yes, I ironed it to make sure that it's well padded, you understand, so that it won't scatter. That is my iron. I ironed my ikpele also, so it's always looking sane. Guys, do not forget to like, subscribe. I make autogele. Bring in those autogele deals. Look at it now. Look at this VKs. As in, I'm so good. Guys, do not forget to like. I'm saying it. Do not forget to like, because the stress behind the scene of these things, it is not easy. Look homeless. I swear. What do you mean? Never sleep. 2 days, no sleep. To make money hard though. See now, I don't finish. See, I look tired. That's the way machine I'm getting used to wear it. I feel so tired, man. So this is the red autogele. Like, it's so nice. Like, it's so sleek. Like, so sleek. It's so nice. Like, I love it. And mind you, for this particular height, I used 5 hour. Yeah, I used 5 hour. So making autogeles it takes more fabric compared to the normal tying. Even this one I use for joining. So this is the hand fan that I made for her. Like I was so tired and I had to deliver her stuff, so I was just making video fast. So this is the red hand fan that match with the red gilly. This is the pink, this is the lilac, and this is the white. I love this white. Like, so what is a very beautiful color. I love this white. Guys, do not forget to like, so this is the hand fans when I was packing it, and this is the whole package. Guys, don't forget to like and share. This is when I'm at the park delivering aid to Abuja. Help me to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.